Hey guys, welcome back to Free Online Learning. In this new video, we will see how we can enroll the Google Digital Marketing free course with Google free certification. So before starting, subscribe our channel for latest video on free courses and press the bell icon for notification. So coming back to this free course on digital marketing, which is the fundamental of digital marketing, which also include Google certificate, which is provided by Google and the Open University and the Interactive Advertising Bureau Europe. This course has 26 modules which is of totally free of cost, and all these modules are created and recorded by Google trainer that you can easily complete their practical exercise, as well as there are some tasks which is given in this video tutorial. So the level for this course is beginner, and the hours required for this particular course is 40 hours and totally free of cost. You can see here there is a sample certificate. I will quickly show you the sample certificate. You can watch here. There is a Google Digital Garage tag here and the certificate number, which is the certificate ID, and the verification for this particular certificate, and the CEO signature also embedded on this certificate. So let's see how this course will help you to find a particular job which will improve your chance for finding the perfect digital marketer. So you can see here, you can develop your career here. The best part of this course is there is no time limit for the completion of this course, and also you will get a shareable certificate which you can attach it on your resume or on your LinkedIn profile. So let's see how you can enroll in this course and get your free certificate. So you can see here, you can simply in step 1 you have to complete the bit-size video tutorial and test your knowledge with a quick quiz, and in step 2 you have to give a final 40 question exam, and after that you will simply get your certificate. So here you can see there is a 26 module. In particular module there are some lessons. In first module there is 2 lessons which is of 15 minutes. In second module there is a 4 lesson of 30 minutes. According to that there is some particular lessons. So I will quickly read out the online opportunity, that is module 1. In module 2 there is a first step in online success. In module 3 there is build your web presence. So you can see here, you can see your website, how website work, key website ingredient. This is a particular lesson for this module. Plan your online business strategy, get started with Google search, get discovered with search, make idea work for you, be noticed with search ad, improve your search campaign, get noticed locally, help people nearby find online. So this is a particular module on which the digital marketing works. So it covers all 26 modules: how to advertise on website, how to get analytics for the particular website, how to make your business online, build your online shop, sell something online. So you can see the particular module. The skills you will learn after completion of this course is analytics and data insight, business strategy, content marketing, display advertising, e-commerce, email marketing, local marketing, mobile, SEM, search engine optimization, social media, video, how to create a video ads, how to make a web optimization. So you will quickly see a success story for particular this course, and also it covers 3 lakh people which has already gained this qualification and using it to develop their careers. So you have to go at end of this particular session, that is last tab, and you can see here start today and get in digital fundamental marketing. You can simply start course, or you can go at the top of this particular course and you can see your start course button here. I will quickly go down, and so you have to simply start course. You have to click here start course, and after clicking start course you have to just log in with your email ID or your Google account. I have already logged in here, so the course has directly enrolled in my learning plan. So you can see here I have completed the 0 progress. Also you can see I have just completed my lesson 1. So you can see here the lesson has been turned green, and check your knowledge has not been completed yet. So I have to just click on this particular and complete the particular task which is shown here. After completing all this module, you can see that your shareable certificate is been working here. So you have to just click on my learning plan. After clicking there, you will get the particular course option. So you can see here in progress there is my course. After you will complete here, you will see the download your certificate option. So if you think this course will benefit you, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Also comment me how you like this course. That's it for today. We will meet soon on our next video. Till then, stay safe, mask up. Thank you.